The COVID-19 pandemic has made the enormous social inequalities in Honduras and Guatemala even more visible. Against this background, the Riecken Foundation believes in the community library's power to bring change. Inspired by the model devised by the American philanthropist Andrew Carnegie, our libraries promote the American principles of inclusion, tolerance, democratic participation, and meritocracy. In 2016, USAID ASHA trusted us as a partner, and since that time, we have shared their efforts to promote public diplomacy. We already know that libraries are the perfect ally of education. Students do their homework, and in the pandemic, they receive their virtual classes. Many adults approach technology for the first time in the hands of librarians. But we have seen our small libraries have a big impact on their communities in many other ways, too. In Honduras and Guatemala, people live on less than $2 a day, and 1 in 4 people lack enough food for their development. In our reading programs with young children and their caregivers, we promote better health habits and nutrition. Our libraries are also empowering women and girls. A group of libraries has created entrepreneurial initiatives of women's groups by organizing small savings and loan programs. We have seen women improve their household finances and grow their self-esteem as citizens and human beings. Many of the libraries are based in indigenous communities, mainly Mayan. Libraries in these areas work to promote identity and culture, including a focus on preserving oral tradition, which is so important for these social groups. Our work focuses on building local capacity and leadership and engaging with communities to find local communities through libraries. The Riecken Foundation strengthens the community social fabric with a library model in which volunteer community leaders organized as a board of directors manage and maintain their library, creating invaluable, safe, and friendly spaces for anyone in the community. During the first months of the pandemic, many low-income families found themselves unprotected and without income. The libraries, in cooperation with the emergency committees, became logistics and food collection centers to aid the community. They created information campaigns on prevention and contagion measures, and some of them organized soup kitchens to serve the most unprotected populations. We built our first library in Honduras in 2000, and in the last 20 years have expanded to more than 60 libraries in Honduras and Guatemala in alliance with their local governments, communities, and partners such as USAID ASHA. In 2022, we will continue to grow with the support and trust of USAID ASHA. 4 new libraries in Guatemala under our community model will join this network of innovative library communities. In a time when the world has become much more vulnerable, we grow. Libraries growing in the face of adversity.